Rajkot Nagrik Sahkari Bank Recruitment 2020. So guys, you are watching this advertisement. This is of Rajkot Nagrik Sahkari Bank. So this is a great opportunity if you want to become a bank employee, then you can apply for this post. So let's see the eligibility and other details so that you can actually get that you have to apply or not. So guys, you are watching here. Rajkot Nagrik Sahkari Bank has invited applications for the recruitment to the post of Deputy Chief Manager and Branch Manager. Eligible and interested candidates can apply for the post through official website from 29 July to 7 August 2020. So this thing you have known, you can apply from 29th of July to 7th of August. Name of posts are mentioned to you. So let's see eligibility criteria. Educational qualification of Deputy Chief Manager, first class graduate or postgraduate, except arts and CA or CA. So for branch manager, first class graduate except arts or post graduation except arts or CA. Experience for Deputy Chief Manager, for graduate, total 10 years experience as officer, out of which 5 years in Scale 2 British bank, or 10-year experience is managerial category in reputed financial institute or urban cooperative bank with turnover of 150 crores. For postgraduate, at least 5-year experience in the managerial category in the bank or any financial institution. So for CA, at least 5-year experience in supervisor or officer category. Working knowledge of computer is must. Experience in core banking will be added advantage. So for branch manager, let's see eligibility. For graduates, minimum 7-year experience with a nationalized banking supervisory category. Example, Scale 1 or financial institute or urban cooperative bank having turnover more than 100 crores with 7-year experiences as officer. For postgraduates, minimum 3 years of working experience as officer in the field of banking, finance, payment, recovery, forex, or any specialized skill in a reputed institute. For CA, working experience of 2 years with any bank or finance institute. Working knowledge of computer is must. Experience in core banking will be on added advantage. Age limit: Deputy Chief Manager banking maximum 45 years, branch manager maximum 40 years. So guys, you are watching here the link for recruitment notification. Apply online, and you can visit this article. I have given link of this article in the description box. Just visit and apply online directly. So that's it guys. I will meet you with some other jobs again. Till then, bye bye.